Sorry, I'm recording the podcast. Sorry, I'm fucking.
Oh, actually, yeah, I could have that
Yeah.
because like, I never use the other ones. I've got the other one like slightly more casual.
So what do you have currently as your dismissal message?
I have 3 because you can have up to 3 on iPhone.
Okay.
Okay, so and I'll. Respond. Can't talk, comma, ping you later, which is like my casual thing.
Ping you later.
Ping you
Ping you
later.
later, yeah.
I'm not sure everyone wants you pinging them, bro. Like,
Bro, I'll pong them if you want.
okay.
What is a
fine.
ping anyway, dude? Like, what the fuck?
The opposite of a pong.
Ping is text. Ping you. Ping me.
Oh.
Yeah. But you're too black, so you don't understand this. The more refined, the yuppie.
Yeah, he uses things like "I'll shoot you later."
Yeah.
And the other one is busy, comma, WhatsApp, which I never use. I think that's too dismissive.
Okay.
I never use busy WhatsApp. And sorry, comma, I can't get to the phone. Period. Let me call you back, which is what I always use.
Generally use.
Yeah, that's my.
So you can make one for sorry recording the podcast, sorry watching.
But recording the
movie.
pod
Wha-
is not necessary. I think sorry, I can't talk. Ping you later is good.
How about sorry?
Bro, मैं तो बस फोन काट देता हूँ या मैं उठाता नहीं हूँ.
हाँ,
तू
but
बदतमीज
तू
है ना?
बदतमीज है ना तू.
बदतमीज क्या हो इसमें? भाई
बदतमीज
जरूरी थोड़ी होता है.
You can put something polite like sorry fucking your mother.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Sorry, I'm sorry in bed with your sister.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah, exactly.
You're gonna get fucking blocked.
I mean, hey, they won't call back then. So
Yeah. No, but like I cut calls for randos ना यार. For example, अगर मेरी माँ phone कर रही हो, then I want to give her a reason for why I'm rejecting a call.
Yeah.
हाँ मम्मी को तो मत भेज sorry
कोई
bed with your sister.
इज्जत वाले लोगों को जिनकी मैं इज्जत करता हूँ उन्हीं को भेजता हूँ, बाकी लोग को मैं कॉल काट भी सकता हूँ. और
Wow.
एक्चुअली नहीं, चक्कर पता है क्या है? एप्पल में कॉल काटना बड़ा मुश्किल है. You have to like double press the fucking power button multiple times.
Yeah.
You don't have like the red button to reject a call. It's weird. I don't know why they do that.
Android में तो आधा टाइम फोन खुद ही काट देता है. हाँ भाई, आजा. Real drink between brothers.
Cheers.
Get out of here.
Fuck you.
मैं शॉट नहीं लूंगा.
मैं शॉट नहीं लूंगा यार.
मैं नहीं पीता.
मैं शॉट नहीं. अच्छा.
Since when?
Hold on.
Hold on. Last time I had alcohol.
Let
in
me
life.
finish.
Please.
मैं रेपोसाडो के नहीं पीता.
अच्छा, this is just him.
ये ऐसा इंसान नहीं है.
Because last time, wait, this fucking stand, bro.
Only whites
तेरे
alone.
वाले खराब.
ढीली लुल्ली vibe. Yeah.
नहीं, actually आज निखिल ने सेटअप नहीं करा ना, इसलिए मैंने हक दिया है.
Whiskey dick, whiskey mic.
I'm not used to doing the setup.
This is the first time I've ever heard you say there's something Nikhil could do you can't.
Well, actually, with these stands I can't because like he has the majority of the practice with these ones. Because by the time we got these stands, he had completely moved on to doing the setup for me.
Mine's fine
Yours is
because all the weight is Sida, not like.
yeah,
Yeah.
Mine's cool too.
fine,
Yeah.
okay.
हाँ सही है bro.
Great content, guys. Huh?
हाँ.
हाँ.
You're enjoying
Wait, you
this?
started already?
It's yes.
किसी को माइक एडजस्ट करना होता तो.
साले तू बता के करा करना है किसी स्टार्ट.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Impropaganda podcast.
हाँ ऐसे कुछ इंट्रो होना चाहिए ना भाई.
देवियों
ऐसे ही.
सज्जनों, इंट्रो भाई इसको मैं 6 महीने हो गए बोलते हुए कि
मैं
इंट्रो
कह रहा हूँ
म्यूजिक
कल
बना,
आ रहा हूँ।
इंट्रो म्यूजिक बना.
तो मैं कल आ रहा हूँ उनके साथ बैठ रहा हूँ सुबह कल.
कल
मैं बना देता हूँ.
तू भी आ रहा कल.
अब लोगों को सुनाना नहीं है, ठीक
मैं
है?
कल
लोगों
नहीं
को
आ
दुख
सकता.
भरी कहानियां नहीं सुनानी.
तो मैं क्यों आ रहा हूँ?
Why am I even on the pod then? मैं बस अपना दुख बांटने आता हूँ यहाँ.
नहीं वो that's different.
नहीं तू
because-
दुख तो बांटता है.
दुख बांटता हूँ अपना चूतिया कटवा के चले जाता हूँ अपना मजाक उड़वा के.
It's fun. Wait, so is he selling your car now?
मैंने उसको एक
'Cause
बार
he came
दिखाई थी.
in your Baleno today, I see.
Yeah,
हाँ,
but that's just because मैं तेल बचा रहा था.
okay.
क्योंकि अभी आजकल थोड़ा पैसे टाइट हो गए.
बाइक ले ली.
भाई तू मुझे अपना बैंक अकाउंट भेज.
भाई ने
मुझे
बाइक
कल-
ले-
कल रात को भी नींद नहीं आई मुझे.
भाई ने बाइक ले ली. बाइक. अच्छा,
हाँ तू मुझे बैंक अकाउंट भेज मैं ट्रांसफर कराएगा.
बैंक अकाउंट भेजूं.
Hmm.
Sending to.
हाँ
I'll try
UPI
to
तो.
get U- I'll try to get UPI done this week. Otherwise, मैं वही करूँगा.
No,
You are so dumb that you don't have UPI, bro. My कबाड़ी वाला has UPI. He has a credit card machine. वो credit card machine लेके घर पे आता है.
यार we
Listen.
listen.
मैं कहता हूँ कौन हो, कहता मैं कबाड़ी वाला
You
हूँ.
fucking sheep.
What
You
sheep?
herd mentality person. Okay, you, Mr. Go with the grain.
Yeah, right.
Mr.
me.
Nothing different or exciting about it. Mr. I have a mustache like a pedo because everyone has.
What do you mean, dude? Mustaches are in. You guys are just fucking Beards are so 2020, bro.
Okay.
Okay, man.
I'm just being honest.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
It's that park vibe you want to go for.
Shut up, bro. आज तूने पैंट चेंज कर ली?
It's the overcoat and flash. Yeah.
उस दिन में मैं जीन्स पहन कर आया था.
मैंने तो कभी नहीं देखी जीन्स
Fine.
तेरी.
मैं
Jeans पहन चुका है, नहीं?
last time we met
Bro,
also I wore.
I think over the past year and a half that I've known him, he's worn jeans at least thrice.
I've never seen them.
Last time you said 4 times, उसके बाद मैं एक बार पहन चुका हूँ. मेरे को 5 तो दे.
I don't believe in things I haven't seen, you know.
You saw it on Friday.
I did not.
Friday, you're
What?
wearing jeans?
No.
This Friday?
Yeah.
Oh,
No, he wasn't.
listen.
You
Few
weren't.
ones, yeah.
I didn't notice.
No.
Take the photos out.
You were wearing some green shit.
जो हमने photos खींची वो निकाल.
कौन सी फोटो खींची?
Too bad.
मैंने थोड़ी कोई फोटो खींची. मैं फोटो खींचता हूँ क्या?
नहीं खींची तो फिर sorry.
मैं फोटो खींचता हूँ क्या? That's actually correct.
मैं नहीं खींचता. कौन सी फोटो खींची है भाई मैंने?
हाँ पता है. That's the whole.
मैं ट्रक के
सब
How's
पीछे
it
ज़्यादा
going?
बड़े
So
हो
did you finally learn how to corner and shit like that?
a little bit better. I just feel ट्रैफिक में मेरे को ना थोड़ा एंग्शियस हो जाता हूँ मैं. बट अगर सड़क खाली हो तो मैं चला लेता हूँ.
Okay.
सही.
Basically context के लिए guys इतना धमकाने के बाद महीनों से ऋषु ने finally बाइक ले ली है.
धमका के क्या? वो तो बॉबी अंकल ने गाड़ी ली तो मैंने कहा भाई.
किसी ने मेरे बुड्ढे बाप से. Oh, sorry, love you dad. But बुड्ढे ने, because he bought 2 cars in 2 months.
Yeah.
Okay, and I feel like at the age of 60, that's a midlife crisis. And
Yeah.
I was talking to him about, and I was talking to Rishu about like how he's done this, and he felt inspired.
Yeah.
So he thought.
भाई
he'd
अगर
buy
वो
a bike.
3 करोड़ खर्च सकते हैं मैं 3 लाख नहीं कर सकता. Crazy in 2 months 3 करोड़ से spend. और आज लेक्सस में आए हैं.
I don't get. नहीं वो मैं लगे हैं.
अच्छा.
अगर ये 3 लाख
अब मैंने
खर्च
हड़प
सकता
लिया वो because you know like there's another car coming. Mom can take whatever she wants. Why am I driving that?
घर में 3 लोग हैं और 6 गाड़ियां रखी हुई हैं.
है, मैं भी इंस्पायर हो गया. अगर ये 3 लाख खर्च सकता है मैं 3,000 नहीं खर्च सकता क्या?
Oh my god.
3,000 में क्या आता है?
बहुत कुछ आता है bro.
तेरा कर्जा
तेरा आधा तेरा
तेरा
आधा
1/3 कर्जा ऑलमोस्ट मुक जाएगा.
1/3 नहीं.
हाँ.
You were at
1/3 almost, so 25%.
You're at 11,000 right now. So you're at
11
1/4 हो गया ना लगभग.
हाँ चल. तो 25% बोलते दिया मैंने.
Okay,
1/3
25%.
almost then I said 25%.
Okay, right. Yeah, you're right. 25%. Yeah.
I don't care.
Who asked?
Okay, you got it.
उसके लिए आधा है ना. उसका कर्जा आधा है.
ले.
So nice. So the bike's good.
I
Triumph
love
400.
it. I love it.
Apart from the first day, which was a bit odd.
Yeah, the first day. Yeah,
I told
I was
him, by
not
the way.
You told him about the recording?
I told him.
I haven't done anything with it.
with what?
The recording.
Of?
The
We
conversation.
recorded.
हाँ तो पहले मेरे को सुनाओ ऐसे थोड़ी.
मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा. मैंने कुछ नहीं करा.
हाँ but anyway हाँ तो उस दिन
बस 21 मिनट.
गांड फट गई थी मेरी थोड़ी.
But only when it's the 3 of us. Anything else I don't have recorded.
I wasn't scared of anything else, but I just didn't want to drop it on the
Right.
first day.
Right.
You know.
Yeah.
तो इसलिए वो जब U-turn दिखा मैंने कहा यार ये U-turn तो fuck it सीधा ही चलते हैं. All roads lead to Rome, but they don't really.
Your geography is amazing.
तो तेरे मुहावरा है ये ज्योग्राफी की बात थोड़ी है.
Sorry यार मैं यहाँ थोड़े जोक मारने आया था actually.
तो
Comedy
they don't
comedy
land,
करने
bro.
आया था.
Forget it.
Okay.
You are just here for eye candy.
क्या कर सकते हैं?
Guys, sorry, this is the best we can do. So unfortunately, we've tried getting other guests on board, but
Hi babe.
yeah,
Babe 2. Babe 3. What's up? 4 you're in line.
I don't know which babe it is, but one babe has friends in Mumbai who watch it and love it, right?
One is a religious watcher.
Is that babe one?
No,
Babe one's friends, right?
What?
Babe one's friends.
Yes, but
Babe one.
Babe 2 herself is a religious watcher.
Oh, babe two is okay. I know which one is babe two.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
What a hoe,
But
dude.
she also said
If
that
anything,
apparently
they're
I'm a
hoes.
genius. Lots of things that I say that go unheard. It's like, why didn't they hear that? Why didn't they? That was so funny. This, that, and I'm like, I know.
Yeah.
I know.
एक तो माइक के इतने दूर है ब्रो. तू काफी दूर है अपने माइक के.
नहीं, I keep coming ahead to speak.
So why don't you just
आ रही है आवाज?
अब आ रही है, but पहले तू ना, yeah, you actually do go out of like the optimal range a
Yeah.
fair amount of time.
I'm not a singer and shit like you guys. I don't know mic.
Yeah, you're just not professionally dealing with microphones for the bulk of your professional output.
Correct.
So why would you even bother to? मैं भी करूँ यहाँ से करूँ मैं?
Try.
All right.
I'll get the rebound.
All right. चल बे.
I can't see it though. In my defense.
Right. Yeah. You're definitely the black one.
Neither can the dustbin. Neither can the dustbin.
What?
मतलब उसके आसपास नहीं है.
अच्छा.
तुम लोग यार. Idiot.
Genius. This is a genius level joke actually.
चूतियों से पाला पड़ा मेरा actually.
चूतिया तो हमें समझ कैसे आएगा? Yeah. We don't get it. Yeah. Apparently you're a genius. They say you say genius level shit. Listen, man.
I do really.
Yeah.
It's the stuff you don't hear mostly. That's really the problem actually.
Bro, तेरे में confidence नहीं है bro. अगर तू गंदा जोक भी मार रहा है तो bro दिल से मार एकदम माइक में घुस के मार.
I'm gonna make you regret that in like 20 minutes stop.
गुंडा सा जो हकला के बोलते घुस के. छोटा छतरी.
Maybe.
छोटा छतरी right?
शायद.
नहीं वो हेरा फेरी में वो नहीं था तोतला सेठ.
हाँ.
तोतला सेठ का जो वो सेकंड इन कमांड था ना वो कहता था.
तोतला सेठ.
देख दिमाग का दही मत बना ठीक है ना.
Okay.
There have been multiple stutter kings though.
Right. But I thought even Avara Pagal Divana had one of those. I think Chota Chhatri नहीं कोई और maybe not.
No, you're thinking Avara Pagal Divana Akshay Kumar's character who wasn't that person. उसका नाम Guru Gulab Khatri. I don't know if there's a Chhatri in that movie.
छोटा छतरी है bro. Johnny Lever छोटा छतरी you idiot.
Oh,
चूतिए.
छतरी है कि some.
अबे छोटा छतरी है बहन के लौड़े. मुझे को पता है ऐसा second movie I saw in the theater.
हाँ होगा.
Ever in my life.
What was the first?
Harry Potter.
Yuck.
Oh, great movie. हरी पुत्तर बड़ा स्वीट है जैसे शक्कर. हरी पुत्तर तू देख तो इसके चक्कर.
ये क्या है?
ये मूवी था हरी पुत्तर जो इन्होंने बनाया था. ये एक्चुअली उसका गाना है. ये मैं बना नहीं रहा.
हरी पुत्तर हिंदी मूवी है?
Yes.
What the fuck?
हरी पुत्तर. It's that they use that same kid who played the cricketer in Chain Kuli ki Main Kuli. That kid was popular.
I remember this Hari Puttar movie. A comedy of terrors.
Yes.
What the hell? Now what's the plot here? Cousins Hari and Tuk Tuk are accidentally left behind when their family go on vacation, home alone. They then set out to foil a plan of two burglars who want to steal a top secret ship from the house. So they got the plot of Home Alone, they added a friend into it, and they named it Harry Potter.
Harry Potter.
These guys are nuts, man.
Green Sun. Okay.
Who's the genius behind this movie, man? Who the fuck directed this? Lucky Kohli, Rajesh Bajaj. Lucky पाजी तो सीधा टट्टू हो गए. टट्टू है गए. हो गए? हो.
Has he just become a tattoo or was he always a tattoo?
Well, he was a tattoo. Mirchi movies. What the hell is that?
वो शाहरुख खान की कंपनी है ना. लाल मिर्ची एंटरटेनमेंट.
Right, yes. Mirchi movies. Okay, anyway, yeah. Harry Potter was the first film I saw in the theater. I think we spoke about this on the podcast earlier. We've done this.
मैं तेरी बातों पे ध्यान नहीं देता इतना सर.
Right on.
ये कुछ याद नहीं रहता.
तेरी कौन सी थी भाई?
गदर.
Yeah, you mentioned. Yes, I remember you saying this.
मैं कभी नहीं भूलूंगा उसने जब ऐसे पाइप निकाल के ऐसे पाकिस्तानियों को पीटा था.
एक तो हैंड पंप था ठीक है तो तू भूल चुका है ऑलरेडी.
हाँ.
अब मेरा था कभी खुशी कभी गम.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one.
Yeah.
And for me, bro.
Huh? For you, I don't get it.
लड़ाई.
Well, I guess yeah, okay. Well,
गदर मचा दी.
The wannabe Punjabi-ness I was gonna say. Wannabe
वो तो तुम्हारी वजह से हुआ है.
Checks out because Haryanvis in any form I wanna be Punjabis anyway. So imagine the wannabe Haryanvi being the wannabe Punjabi. Hello.
तो टेक्निकली तो मैं हरियाणवी भी नहीं हूँ.
तभी तो wannabe बोला.
बस wannabe ही बोलते बस और आगे उसके आगे छोड़ दे.
तेरी फीलिंग्स नहीं हर्ट करना चाहता इतना ज्यादा बार बार.
Yeah, they tried to murk Donald Trump.
They failed.
Bro, what a champion.
That guy though. I mean, if anyone were to script it, you know.
Bro, I doubt.
I got Trump haters on my Instagram posting that picture, bro.
Yeah, if anyone were to script it, they could not have scripted it better.
They probably did script it. Like it feels.
But the whole
scripted.
bullet trajectory, this he had.
Bro, forget the bullet trajectory, bro. अगर एक AR-15 से किसी के कान में गोली लगती ना उसका कान फट जाता.
नहीं वो उसका कैलिबर छोटा था और AR-15 नहीं थी वो. वो automatic वो rifle थी. It was not an AR-15 firstly.
तो क्या कैलिबर था बुलेट का?
22 कह रहा है ना वो.
22 from a rifle.
यार अब
22 is a handgun
yes,
ammunition.
right. But it's small enough that it doesn't have to directly have it. I think it might have grazed it also. It doesn't have to go through the ear.
Yeah, it grazed
It
or
could've just
something, which
grazed,
is
yeah.
great. You can't.
Probably.
That
No,
precision is not possible. He turned his.
Yeah,
It was going through his brain.
It was going to his head. He turned his head to look at the teleprompter.
He looked to look at some immigration stats or some shit
Yes.
like that. He turned his head, and in that the millisecond, you
No,
can't time that, brother.
But he falls down, and then the fight thing. That image, I think, is nuts.
Yeah, dude.
The photographer who caught that shit.
Bro, and his
No,
presence.
for Trump
of,
to even do
Trump's
that.
presence of mind to
Yeah.
to monopolize to
Bro.
do something with that
Yeah.
moment. Sorry.
Yeah. Smart political move. But I mean, that the Secret Service should not let him do that. Like after
That's
in
what
an
people were
active
saying. Were like,
shooter
dude, they
scenario.
let him just stand up for like about 10 seconds, facing the crowd from where the
They,
bullets.
he only stood up after the shooter was dead. का वो आया था call.
हाँ.
But I mean, फिर भी कोई और
So you
भी
had time to think. मैं खड़ा होगा, मैं pose कैसे करेगा?
Yeah. But I don't know.
No, of course, like, dude, like I always have the conspiracy brain running in the background. Was it Trump himself? Was it someone within Trump's circle? Was it Biden? Was it some other deep state actor? Was it Iran, like they're saying? Can't be Iran because
Bro, that guy who shot him was in a BlackRock ad.
yeah, it's a BlackRock ad.
Yeah, and he was in it.
But you have to also contend with the fact that he tried to apply for the shooting range club in his school and he was rejected. He failed it, bro. He was such a bad shooter. He failed it.
These shooters are interesting people, though. Because of this, I also discovered the guy who attempted to assassinate Ronald Reagan in 81
Yes.
Yeah,
failed. Like he just got out last year. He's repentant and all this. He's a bloody folk musician. He has more songs on Spotify than I do. Matlab, this guy. Matlab, he's fucking.
Bro,
Well, to be fair, he has a lot of time in prison.
Sure, but I'm just saying.
Thomas Matthew Crooks. We're waiting on the Crooks EP. Let's go. Yeah.
This is
No, Thomas
this
Matthew.
guy is.
He's dead.
Acha,
Oh, he's dead.
The
So
one.
fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Posthumous album drop waiting. बनाई दोगी इसने.
Posthumous नहीं बोलता.
I think both are fine. I don't.
Is it?
Doesn't matter, bro. It's just a word.
You know, but because posthumous. he's
Don't
splitting it
adopt
up-
that approach.
By the way, he's splitting it up into two words. I've always heard posthumous.
I've heard
Dude,
posthumous. for
Whatever
sure.
it is,
Really?
man.
That's interesting.
हम अपने इंडियन एक्सेंट में बहुत सारे ऐसे शब्द बोलते हैं जो लोग खोलेंगे ब्रो व्हाट द हेल आर दे सेइंग.
हाँ वो अच्छी बात नहीं है. ठीक करो.
नहीं कुछ ठीक करने की जरूरत नहीं है ब्रो.
Like development. That's terrible. Everyone says development. It's development.
Whatever it is doesn't matter what it is.
It does matter.
Does matter.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah. The fuck?
Dude, if you say development, नहीं क्या बोला तूने? Development. What is the wrong word?
See, you can't say the wrong one. Development.
Development.
The emphasis
Development.
on the
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
The emphasis
Even
on
if
the
you say
love-
that word, it still
Development.
conveys the meaning. Right?
yes, it.
Like I
But
know
that doesn't mean
exactly
that
what
it's
you're saying when
But
you
तुम
say
चूतिया sound करते हो.
development or development.
छोड़ना, this is a stupid argument. Dude, if there's a correct way to pronounce things, you must learn it. And you must speak it
Correct way थोड़ी होता है.
rather,
It is the
It's
correct
just a
way.
version.
rather fuck it. You must.
Correct way to would be the way we should all have fucking British accents or whatever.
All right, we can start trying now.
That was Australian.
Fuck off, mate.
What you just did.
But,
Close though.
don't bother me with your inane droning.
Mm.
Thank you very much. All right. But I'm just saying, must
Yeah,
learn it is a different thing, but don't make the argument against learning it for sure.
I'm just saying it doesn't matter.
So it's actually because it's not a portmanteau. It's not two words joined
It's
together.
not a combination.
It is, yeah. It's actually one word. The
Right.
origin
Okay.
is posthumous
Okay.
in Latin. Yeah.
So okay. The more you know.
The more you know, the less you act like you know.
Yeah, I mean depending on where you're
You
from, you
act
spell words differently, you pronounce words differently depending on
John
where you're
Hinckley, this fellow,
Huh.
the Reagan shooter fellow. John Hinckley. इसका Spotify.
from. इसका middle name नहीं है. I
Yeah,
don't care.
that's what I was saying. Most of these assassins have three
have
names.
three
bro.
names, yeah.
Yeah, John Wilkes Booth.
Sukhit Singh Chandu.
Lee Harvey
Yuvraj
Oswald.
Ratan Mehra.
Yuvraj Ratan Mehra.
Rifshu Pagalman Karoda Hussain.
That's not three words.
That's one. It's not a portmanteau actually.
Rifshu PhD.
It's not a portmanteau. It's just one single. Yeah. Pagalman Karoda is one. Yes.
I'm the most sane person here. I thought तूने भी कुछ और तोड़ा.
I like that though.
In a matter of
It had a good accent. Sane. Like that's not sus at all. I'm the most sane person here. The most sane person would say.
No, but if you were to imagine, like, I mean, would you? I don't think Biden is capable of coming up with this shit.
No, I think it was a very smart move.
You think
from
with
Trump?
ने खुद करा ये? Yeah.
How the hell does
but you're
somebody?
also, yeah.
How the hell does somebody fucking trick the entire Secret Service and get on the only one roof that was a vantage point to?
Firstly, ex-president Donald Trump has no control of what the Secret Service does. Secondly, there was so Jill Biden was in the same area.
That's very fucking naive of you to think that.
Ex-president Donald Trump controls.
He's a multi-billionaire, bro.
Achha, that's how that works.
Yeah,
That's how the state.
he was friends with Epstein, bro. He's in the inner circle.
Achha.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
he's part of the Illuminati.
Counterfactual, Jill Biden was in the same area and part of his detail was cordoned off so that Jill Biden would have protection.
What about their son, Chill Biden?
Oh, Hunter, you mean Hunter.
Yes.
Yeah,
He's out there fucking hookers.
Yeah.
Smoking.
Hunter.
He is Chill Biden, is he not?
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
Yeah, we'd get along with Hunter.
Hunter and I, yeah, exactly. We'd have a
Hunter
good
sounds like a fun time.
time. We'd have a lot of good nights.
He's a lad.
A lot of nights to remember, record videos of, dump them on a laptop.
You know what I like about
Hunter's
him?
one of
Dump
the
them on a
boys.
laptop. And
You know what I like about him the most? He keeps taking risks. Like he just keeps putting himself out there, you know?
because he knows his dad will make some deal and he'll get money to his account and he'll have to just like funnel it for his father.
Yeah.
And he's good like that, you know? He'll get some money from some Ukrainian oil company.
Yeah.
And then he'll have to pay for his father's AT&T bills.
Business.
That whole deal is
crazy
just
family.
nuts. That whole deal is so funny.
Yeah, Ukrainian President Vladimir Putin.
But they're saying they're going to get rid of Joe Biden. I think they're going to dump him.
Bro, I think ऊपर
Kamala
वाला-
Harris, they're saying.
I think
Kamala Harris.
Kamala Harris.
तो पागल है यार.
Yeah.
I mean-
Kamal Harris.
Huh?
When
भाई ये सारे जो इंडिया जो डायस्पोरा वाले जो लोग होते हैं जो
भाई,
ऐसे
election
पोजीशन
तो
तक
साल
ऋषि
है.
सुनक एंड कमला they are fucking useless bro. Why even consider them desi? They are just as firangi as anyone else.
No one considers them desi.
हमारे
We just
कंसिडर से
consider
कुछ
them
नहीं होता.
of
वो
Indian
जाके
origin.
गुजराती औरतों के साथ समोसे बना रही है जो क्या कर सकते हो?
We consider them of Indian origin. We don't consider them Indian. They're not desi.
Yeah, but they don't give a fuck about India, bro.
So because this is not in their best interest too.
Yeah.
Why should so? That makes absolute sense. If I
But
were to
it's
be
like-
nationalized in America, all of my interests, my business interests, my political
You
ambitions.
don't know that.
I'm telling you this. When I was in college, I could not give a fuck about India. I only started giving, and so were you, by the way. Only when you came back
when
to
I
India, yes, exactly.
No.
Desh dronyo salo.
In the beginning, yeah, I
Yeah, you don't.
I didn't give
Why
a fuck
would you,
about
man?
India.
Because it's not in front of you.
But वहाँ जाके I realized कि I'm the only person representing my people out there. To like the Americans,
Which of your people particularly?
the Indian people. Like they how I act.
This
reflects on my
motherfucker
people.
was
Movie,
representing me out there without my permission.
and that of course, like
And they're so ignorant, so you feel like they don't have any idea what India is like, or what Indians are like.
what he
So you
can,
feel
but you
like-
have to eventually divorce that emotional desire from your actual practical ambitions and goals in life,
No.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean
He won't divorce. He'll marry that also. And that also.
And especially, you will not expect your children to have that because your children will not have it.
I know.
Yes.
Yeah,
Because
my
your children,
cousins are like.
yeah, because they want to fit in and they want to just, be part of the American culture as opposed to,
If you're born and raised there, yeah, you have
Yes.
no.
yeah.
Yeah, I mean.
So Rishi Sunak to वैसे भी नहीं था, bro. He's 2 generations removed. He was born in Africa, was he not?
I believe so.
Yeah.
In Uganda or some shit.
Yeah, exactly. His family had moved a long time ago, many generations ago from out of India. Yeah.
Hmm.
So it's absolutely stupid to expect that from him. And Kamala Harris तो वैसे भी आधी कल्ली है.
But अबे Indian भी तो है वो.
What, bro?
The fuck?
We mean Punjabi Kalli, meaning she's alone.
Dude,
Guys.
the political capital when she was rising in the ranks from being closer to the Black American experience versus the Indian American experience was worth more. So as a politician, she's always been more black than she's been brown. Because
Yeah, I
yeah,
mean,
yeah. So
That's for sure. She has
she's
Absolutely,
a
she's
dominant,
been more American than she's been anything else. But yeah, like
the affirmative action shit, anyway. Yeah.
मैंने जब when I heard about Rishi
No,
Sunak
complete
and all
that
these
thought.
people.
Yeah.
What is it?
Huh?
Complete that thought.
मैं?
Huh.
No. I was just saying, it's very easy when I think he wants to not acknowledge that because of his political biases.
Right.
Yeah.
I mean, they wouldn't get where they are if they
Exactly,
gave a fuck about India.
That's not what I was saying. What I'm saying it's more. She can reap more practical benefits from identifying more with the Black American experience than the Indian American.
Everything is
experience.
vote bank politics.
Yeah,
Yes,
exactly. Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
It's that, as simple as
That's
that.
what
As
I'm
reductive as you need to be.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Boo Kamala.
Who Kamala?
The fuck,
और
man.
Kamala, bro. But the thing is,
Who cares about
उसकी favorability Biden से भी कम है. But I think the problem is Biden.
No, it doesn't matter at this point. Like, nobody can beat Trump. तुम किसी भी कैंडिडेट को खड़ा कर दो डेमोक्रेटिक पार्टी से, nobody's beating Trump.
No, he's coming back.
Oh, absolutely.
100%.
So why would they? So you're saying कि बात हो रही कि they'll switch out Kamala now before the election and shit.
They will. So
Yeah.
because the thing is, because they have
She is
not.
proposed to be the new.
The Dems convention is, I believe, something in August 17th, something like that. So in the convention, the party confirms their nominee. So even though the primary process is
अच्छा,
over,
for the nominees, you know, for some reason I thought कि like presidency अभी थोड़ी करेंगे ये तो. You're talking about the next nominee. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay,
yeah. So they haven't
that
confirmed
makes-
the nominee yet. Yeah,
Obviously,
so
no, Biden is out for. You can't put him
but
up
he
again.
refuses to step down. He refuses to
Dude,
step
that
down.
reminds me.
So
But nobody can in
Barack
good
Obama, Nancy Pelosi, all of them are releasing, you know, these leaks from within the inner circle. On Nancy Pelosi thinks Biden should step down and stuff. And when they actually asked him, well, the president is supposed to announce a decision immediately. Biden keeps saying, I'm not stepping down. So वो अंदर से खेल रहे हैं कि इसको निकालो. वो बुढ़ा मान ही नहीं रहा.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter. Whatever they do, it doesn't matter. But anyway, that reminds me, not stepping down, say remind me, the Secret Service chief.
Cheatley.
Yeah.
Her name is
Cheadle.
Cheatley.
Cheatle.
That inspires
Cheatley.
confidence and trust.
Okay, whatever it is.
Cheatley.
So-
Kim Cheatley.
Yeah, so she was also like, I'm not stepping down, even though the whole Secret Service fucked up on every level. The one building that has a vantage point to Trump.
अरे मार दिया ना उन्होंने शूटर को बस.
Why they knew 20 an hour before the shooter got on
30
the roof.
minutes, yeah, there were people saying, dude, there's a guy on the roof. There's a guy
He
on
had
the
a
roof.
rangefinder and they're
He's
like,
a
oh, suspicious person.
Dude, there's videos of him lurking outside the building.
Yeah.
Trying to,
in the secured area.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
It's fucking nuts.
And then he still gets on the roof.
Yes.
Somebody sees him get on the roof.
Yeah.
And then a cop gets on the roof.
Okay, yeah, and regardless of who, so, you know, that's what I think. Like, regardless of who made, like, whatever, made the arrangements, it was allowed to happen. It was certainly allowed to
think,
happen.
yeah,
Like,
I
I can't, it's indisputable that like, this
they're
was
like, क्या-
allowed to happen.
क्या पता उड़
अब
जाए तो.
करा किसने है मुझे नहीं पता. I have no clue. Maybe it's Trump, maybe it's Biden, maybe it's someone
I
else.
just find it hard to believe that they are so goddamn incompetent.
They are not. But
Yeah,
that's what I'm saying.
dude,
Yeah.
it's the US Secret Service.
But then again, there's always that quote, you know, like never blame on malice what you can adequately
Blame on
attribute to
incompetence.
incompetence. Yeah. So there could also be the case that they're actually that incompetent. And we have the history of the Secret Service down in like Latin America, the hookers and cocaine and shit.
yeah, Pablo. Yeah.
I mean, and we
that
do.
was the FBI.
That was like fucking 2018. No, that was Secret Service only, wasn't it?
No, Secret Service is just for the protection of the.
So this
But
was
what we
this was
definitely
a
know, what we
trip.
definitely know without a doubt.
You're talking about the trafficking, na?
Nahi. They were caught partying with hookers and cocaine down in the down Latin
I
America.
think that was Secret Service.
A couple of years
I
ago,
think
Secret
that was
Service only. Yes.
Oh.
But at least one thing we indisputably do know for sure about the Secret Services.
Now I like him.
Hell yeah, bro.
We know that
You
historically.
know why I like them? Because they got the SS.
अब बहन के लोग में genius
Oh,
वाली बात
no way. That's.
Yes, we love the SS.
Sukrit Singh, not.
Yeah, not the Nazis.
What are you saying, man?
I'm just stretching.
Buddy.
What were you saying?
मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि one thing we know for sure about the Secret Service is indisputably they're great at protecting presidents' lives. They never fuck that up.
2012. New low blow डाला है उन्होंने, you know, captions में.
Good one.
Do you have a pair of sunglasses for me or some shit? My आँखें are fucking today.
Yeah. There's like there's a couple of.
कितने?
The console behind my desk.
ये पकड़ेगा?
नहीं. The fuck?
मेरी टांग पे डाल दे. Okay, that's it.
Ronaldo, Messi.
Yeah.
हो गया रिटायर रोनाल्डो?
मसालेदार.
नहीं. अबे तू जा ना. हमेशा जब ये उठता है, कुछ ना कुछ टूटना होता है या कुछ ना कुछ खराब होना होता है. पता नहीं क्या आदमी है.
अबे console behind my desk बोला तो तेरे को.
Console?
It's called a console, dude.
What is called a console? I don't know either bro. वो मेरे को अखियाँ दिखा रहा है.
अबे इसको कंसोल बोलते हैं यार. टीवी के नीचे जो होता है ना कैबिनेट जिसमें उसको
कैबिनेट बोलता हूँ मैं.
उसको कंसोल बोलते हैं.
भाई कंसोल उसको बोलते हैं भाई, इसमें गेम्स खेलते हैं.
हाँ बेंचो प्लेस्टेशन होता है.
हाँ the fuck you mean console?
In furniture that's called a console.
मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ कहाँ है Xbox.
Trust me, मैं 4 प्रॉपर्टी बना चुका हूँ अपनी जिंदगी में ऑलरेडी. ठीक है, मुझे पता है ये सब.
अभी कुछ नहीं पता.
तू और तेरे भाई क्या कर रहा है? कुछ काम कर रहे हैं यूपी में प्रॉपर्टी का?
अबे वो बस मेरा चूतिया का, वो तो कोई बिल्डर उसका चूतिया काट रहा है, वो
These
दोनों
look good on you,
मिलके.
man. These look good on you. Yeah, they fill up your face at least.
So
And you go on.
so my
So
cousin
less
na,
of
jo-
it visible.
who's become a builder now, he is from Saudi Arabia.
Yes.
So he doesn't know India at all.
David.
Yeah, Dawood. नहीं, this is Ishaq.
Oh, Isaac.
Isaac.
Crazy.
They all changed their names.
Yeah, once they left Saudi Arabia, Dawood became David and
I
Ishaq
wonder
became
what,
Isaac.
I wonder what Rishu would be.
Rishu can't because he doesn't have an Islamic name. He's got
Yeah.
a portmanteau name.
Yeah. You know the history behind my name?
Rifaqat and Shubi. No
पता है क्या?
idea.
अगर मेरे पेरेंट्स ने रखा होता ना मेरा नाम पार्टमेंटो, पता है क्या? हरदीप होता.
Padmanto.
Hardeep
Pard-
होता.
Because my
But
dad
Hardeep works.
Exactly, because it wouldn't have even made sense because that's just like a regular Sardar name.
Yeah.
Because my dad is
तेरा क्या होता?
My dad is Harneet, my mother is
My,
Dipali.
obviously two options. I would either have Vivya or Divek. It sucks.
It's a
I'm sorry for the poor bastards who are probably actually named Divek. Your life suck.
Vivek is good though. Yeah, but
And by the way, that can only work if you have like one child. If you have more than one, then what the fuck is the second one? What are you gonna do?
give her Shurif. No, use the other.
This is the other version. Of the third, you're fucked.
Bichu.
At the third,
No,
you're
no.
fucked.
It
No,
would be
Bikat.
Biakat.
और Bikat.
बियाकत होता ना.
बियाकत.
रिफाकत नाम है मेरे डैड का.
तो
And Shubi, तो
हाँ.
बियाकत. That I would preferred that actually.
Biakat.
बियाकत अली खान हुसैन शाह.
Ali Khan Hussain Shah.
Shah.
You've added three more names.
तूने एंसेस्टर भी डाल दिए हैं जो अपनी अपनी कॉम लेकर अपने अपने वो कल क्या कहते हैं जात लेकर आ रहे हैं.
हम वैसे शाह थे.
Hmm.
Like from my mom's
फिर
side.
ना हो गए.
फिर हुसैन बन गया मैं.
Hmm.
क्यों?
Because Dad Hussain and Gandu, that's how fucking family names work, bitch.
I was
What
waiting.
the fuck?
I wanted him to struggle with the answer.
What do you mean? Why would I struggle with the answer? Dumb fuck.
Actually, he's not wrong to expect that of you.
Yeah.
You might have.
Because the explanation would not have been straightforward. You see,
You might have stumbled at the very least.
Yes.
You know.
Fuck.
Yes, and it. Let it happen sometimes.
Yes.
Ah, very funny.
और बियाकत.
बियाकत अली.
और ये Microsoft तो तेरा computer नहीं चला क्या? Because I heard about this CrowdStrike fucking BSOD.
No, so yeah, so
So your computer was affected somehow.
yeah, I had a BSOD.
What does that mean?
Blue screen of
Bullshit
death.
overdose.
Blue screen of death बोलते हैं उसे.
Yes, bullshit overdose.
Blue screen of death.
Shit overdose. Y'all that's some bullshit. Oh.
यार फिर से सेंसर करना पड़ेगा यार.
Y'all beggars.
Because we can't say Dalits actually. I mean that we can say.
We
rather.
can say.
Yeah, but we can't say.
You can,
we can't
you
call
can
him
say
one.
whatever you want, man.
No, yeah, you can't call them. No, you shouldn't.
Okay, so all you Microsoft using losers had a bit of a blackout.
Yeah,
BSOD.
all over the world,
All over the
BSOD.
Hey,
But
man,
I
use-
thought
use a
I
neutral
literally,
color.
You
I
also did your computer not start?
No, my mom did send me a message. Hello dear, be careful. Microsoft is not working. Hope you don't have problem in the class. मैं Google Meet पे जीता हूँ यार. Relax.
अच्छा, okay.
Nothing happens. To
अबे
me.
Google Meet को चलाने के लिए भी तो ब्राउजर तो चाहिए होगा कंप्यूटर
वो
ऑन
तो
करना.
चला था कोई सीन नहीं था.
अच्छा तो इसको नहीं हुआ, मेरे को तो हुआ.
Because so this was a boot problem only. It was not boot, right?
नहीं, so basically my computer stays on usually. तो जब मैं घर वापस गया तो उस पे there was the blue screen. हाँ. तो then I hard reset it.
हाँ.
And then hard reset करने के बाद वो reboot हो गया.
Okay.
So maybe I just missed the whole period where it wasn't
right.
rebooting.
I'm not connected to the mainframe like y'all motherfuckers.
No, it didn't. Because I don't have any Windows, so we were all fine.
Hmm.
Not a single Windows machine, buddy.
I met all these other losers.
Oh, no, but yeah, like a lot of airlines, even the Mercedes pit crew, because it's
Hospitals and stuff.
funnily-
Mercedes pit crew.
Mercedes pit crew.
Flight बीच में रुक गई.
CrowdStrike is actually title like not title sponsor, but like one of the big sponsors for Mercedes
Okay.
cars. Anyway, Mercedes pit crew, hospitals, flights, a lot of servers, and the problem is that all of these machines require a manual reboot. So this is going to be at least a 10-day long affair where all over the world, whatever machines start working will have to be rebooted. But it only affected about, I believe, 15-20%
That's still a fair
It's
bit,
still
but
a
yeah.
fair bit, but like no critical internet infrastructure was affected.
Yeah, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
हाँ मतलब ठीक है.
Right, thanks for the news segment.
I don't know. I was just trying to talk about current events.
Yeah, I have not kept up with
Try to keep the pod a little topical.
I had Gurde ka pure for lunch.
Okay.
Did you really?
Yeah. I'm
Sick.
all about that organ meat, bro.
Bro,
That's nice.
no, they're actually good for you.
Of course.
Man, it's
we
great.
know.
Yeah, but I've never had like kapure
मैंने ये पूरा नहीं खाया कभी.
like yeah in a curry.
You gotta fucking munch on some balls, bro, now and then.
Bro,
Well,
please.
I'll take your word for it.
तूने
all,
कभी
all these ladies who say na that they love balls is that you know who you are. They should put their balls where their mouth is, their money where their mouth is. They should eat some steaming fucking Gurde ka pure, actually fucking chomp on some.
कैसे
nuts.
बनाते हो तुम?
Like a stir fry curry sort of thing. So it's a little more than dry, but it's not a full curry. where
जैसे
it's-
कलेजी बनाते हैं.
Yes, so though Gurda, it's very similar to that cooking. In Gurda ka
How does it taste? मतलब texture और taste कैसा होता है उसका?
Tatto ki tarah.
टट्टू की तरह मतलब कलेजी से compare करना.
Kaleja is Kaleja is also a little
Chewy सा होता है.
chewy. This is also a little chewy.
Kaleja is softer.
Yeah.
Kapura should be.
It is a little harder,
Yes.
but it cuts through very nicely. मतलब it's not difficult to go through. And the Gurda also, Gurda is kidney ना, so Gurda साथ में बनता है, वो भी
So,
अच्छा है.
मैं मेरे को पता है ऐसे खाना अच्छा नहीं लगता. Like liver मैंने try किया था बीच में. But I don't like it, so I take desiccated capsules for organs.
What?
Yeah.
Just
like-
eat the fucking thing.
No. I don't like the taste.
I love it.
I only like to eat. I only like muscle meat, and then
My mom was
for
like,
for organs,
my mom was
I
like, I
eat
really love you. I
capsules.
hate fucking cooking this shit and cleaning it or whatever.
तो खुद cook करना.
She will not let me do that.
Yeah, I can teach you how to cook,
I know how to cook. I also
but I rely on machines, bro. Like I'm not a
no. In the Netherlands, 4 months when I was there, the last time 4 महीने मैंने खुद खाना बनाया.
क्या बनाता था तू?
Mostly meats, just pan fry something, or sometimes bake it, or even fish now and then, and just put some. I used to do very simple things like just do a little difference in the masala now and then.
Salt and
whatever.
pepper.
And yeah, marinate it and then either.
You used to marinate.
Yeah. क्या करना होता है? एक rub बनाना होता है, एक mix बनाना होता है. Just put it together and leave it sit for a while.
So that's more effort than I put in. I mean,
I didn't cook very many vegetables, and I wouldn't say that I know how to. But
So
proteins and meats I can handle.
Abhi recently I got this new recipe that I make sometimes because I get a lamb shoulder. Okay, 1 kilo का आता है वो, तो वो मेरे लिए 4-5 दिन चल जाता है easily. Dinner पे खाता हूँ बस. And then I'll put it. I'll make I'll seal the meat. Then I'll cook some vegetables. Put a balsamic glaze on it. Then I'll throw that in my slow cooker. Balsamic, whatever it is.
Balsamic, yes.
Balls.
Then I'll throw it in my slow cooker.
Thanks
put
for
some
valuable
stock.
contribution from
Sorry.
your phone. Balsamic balls. सुन लिया कबड्डी आ जा तो वापस. तू फोन पे रह. हाँ तू
मैं
बोल.
phone पे हूँ क्या?
Yeah, so then I
Anyway, go on.
put it in my slow cooker, put some stock वगैरह in it, and then I just let it cook for 8 hours.
Stock what?
Lamb stock.
Lamb
Stock
stock.
acids.
Yeah.
तू अपने messages देख. तो देख बहुत बढ़िया.
अबे तू return his call.
GameStop stock.
Dude, GameStop is such a fucking shit show.
It's a scam.
I used to have like 30-40 Xbox की games बचपन में, ठीक है? And मैंने सुना कि GameStop buys them back. तो मैं बड़ा खुशी गया वैंचो 2 बोरियां भर के
$3 कुछ नहीं दिया होगा.
भाई कहते
$20
तो
bro.
fucking for like 40 games these fuckers are like हाँ 1500 रुपए दे देंगे. मैंने कहा तुम्हारा दिमाग खराब हो गया है क्या?
$20 they said. This was in the US
No,
or in
this was
India?
here.
1500 रुपए.
सहारा मॉल में.
Oh, that's nuts.
Yeah.
अब मॉल की भी तो औकात देख. तू सहारा मॉल जा रहा है.
You know which mall I'm talking about, na?
Yes, I know.
MG Road
Gurgaon
वाला.
में. Yes.
हाँ.
I used to go for
I don't
crack
even know we
tuition.
had GameStop here, but I don't GameStop. What would I know?
Not game, whatever it was. I
Some
don't
of
think
my
it wasn't
earliest-
GameStop. It was whatever, some company that was
Some Indian version of
emulating
it.
GameStop.
Some of my
Okay.
earliest dates in life were at that mall.
Really?
Yeah.
Bikaner, Haldiram?
No, movies over there. वहाँ PVR भी था. PVR सहारा.
Bro, come
नहीं,
on.
वहाँ
man.
पे एक ही famous restaurant था.
Haldiram.
Famous restaurant. He's calling Haldiram restaurant.
Haldiram.
now. Is Haldiram a restaurant?
Yes, bro.
Yes.
It's a fast.
Bro, वो
It's
नहीं
a
नहीं
family-
नहीं
it's an Indian
वो
family
3
restaurant.
floor का, it was the biggest Haldiram हल्दीराम्स
वो तो शॉपिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स हो गया ना. वो तो H&M हो
अरे
गया.
ब्रो पहले गुड़गांव में 3 ही मॉल थे.
H&R, हल्दी एंड राम.
शुरू में गुड़गांव में 3 ही मॉल थे. एक था
और 2 आमने सामने.
हाँ MGF एंड
सहारा.
नहीं
अरे मुझे पता है स्कूल
MG रोड वाले.
मैंने बड़े
MG रोड
but
there's
Metropolis.
MGF on one side and
Metropolis.
सिटी सेंटर अब उसका नाम है, बट उसका नाम पहले कुछ और होता था. DLF समथिंग पता नहीं क्या होता था. तो वो 2 थे और फिर उसके थोड़ा आगे जाके सहारा मॉल था. बस यही 3 मॉल थे. फिर एम्बियंस खुल गया और फिर तो अब तो पता नहीं क्या क्या हो गया. या
एम्बियंस ही बदल दी भाई. माहौल चेंज.
वाओ माहौल. You add an extra syllable to
who
that.
the hell is Madhav Dhawan?
We must know.
Yeah. वो
It's coming on your
महक
phone.
धवन का भाई है bro.
I probably.
Yeah.
शिखर धवन का चाचा.
Is this from like the batch group?
I think so. Somebody texted me randomly.
Okay.
तो तू क्रिकेट देख रहा है
तो
आजकल?
इस देश में क्या हो रहा है?
World
नहीं
Cup के
अब
बाद
क्या
इन-
देखूंगा.
World Cup के बाद इंटरेस्ट खत्म. Not following the series and all that.
हाँ ब्रो. अब तो I usually only.
हाँ अभी बैंड के लोडो जिम्बाब्वे के साथ क्या देख
नहीं
रहा
बट
है?
वो तो it was the B team bro. I don't give a
हाँ,
fuck
हाँ.
about the B team.
Fuck the B team man.
तो अब तो कोहली और शर्मा चले गए.
From T20. हाँ.
Really?
अब T20 they both
They
retired.
retired, bro.
They retired.
They've done what we need. They've done enough.
Sorry. I'm just.
Stop.
भोसड़ी का टीवी चला रहा है.
मैं टीवी नहीं चला रहा. I'm just setting up. You can talk. There's going to be no audio.
फॉर्मूला 1.
There's not going to be any audio.
Formula 1. भाई Lewis Hamilton.
मैंने mute कर दिया.
Bro, he's a
बल्ले.
killer man.
It's too good. But
Yeah.
He's just too good.
McLaren has locked out the front row.
मकलौड़ा.
McLaren.
McLaren has
Locked
Lando and
locked
वो.
out. Yes.
लंडू.
Lando Naresh.
Dude,
McLaren.
I'm
मकलौड़न का लंडू नरेश.
Lando Naresh.
I'm not that interested in this season. I'm waiting for when this guy Hamilton joins Ferrari.
That's your Hamilton. Sorry, Ferrari is.
Isn't this a very interesting season?
Ferrari?
Shouldn't you-
This
Ferrari
is the most
Oh,
interesting.
Ferrari.
Ferrari is a
Ferrari.
Ferrari is a fucking prestige play for him. Ferrari has been shit for so many years. There's no way that
Ferrari.
they're not going to figure it out. Bro.
Yeah, I love how you're
Dude, I
changing it
think
up.
with Hamilton coming in, they'll figure it out.
They could. I mean, I really would love to see that because I
Yeah,
would love to see
me
him
too.
win in red.
Yeah.
That's just going to be nuts.
I just wanted to see him win again, dude. Because I feel like he's better than Max.
He's certainly more reliable. Max is already, so he doesn't.
I
Have,
don't like Max, bro.
Max doesn't have the strongest car. That
unlikable
doesn't
as
mean he's
shit.
not a good
Yeah.
driver. He's a really good driver.
Him London
Of course he
अच्छा
is.
है.
Of course he is.
Yeah, but Max without like the fastest car is struggling, right?
I want to see Max not in the Red Bull.
But
That's what I want to see.
That could also happen.
उसको Williams में
regardless
डाल दे.
of-
Acha, it could.
Yes, because he's very unhappy with the way the Red Bull.
Oh.
Yes.
So maybe he replaces him London at Mercedes.
Him London.
Lewis him London.
No,
Lewis
they'll
to
get
die
some.
there
They'll
with
get some British guy.
What? Why would they get a British guy?
Can they not get
Why
Max?
not?
Can they not get Max?
It's a German team. I don't know why. Why would they get only a British guy?
Why would
Because they have 2 British drivers right now. So
Well, because they're German, they might hate the Dutch Belgian guy, so they might not get him either.
No. But in fact, Toto Wolff has been hell bent on getting Max to jump ship.
To Mercedes.
to where? Where would he go?
Mercedes.
So okay,
Mercedes.
my guess is good.
Ah.
Yes, he really wants Max there, and Mercedes has been improving. We don't know where because right now they're not going on this track.
I mean, he'll earn my respect if he wins in the Mercedes.
Like all the greats have won in multiple teams, right?
Exactly.
They all have.
So
Senna won in 3 teams. Schumacher won in 2 teams. Lewis has won with 2 teams, right?
yeah,
Lewis, if he wins with 3 teams,
he's already the GOAT.
He's already the GOAT statistically.
Yes, yeah.
Statistically, he's already the GOAT.
Schumacher's done too, so he'll do better there also. Yeah.
Yes, yeah, he will.
But
trumpet
Schumacher
even-
also had the best car at Ferrari.
at Ferrari, bro. Exactly, Ferrari's domination in 2005
Yeah.
was what Red Bull's domination was last year. Like, I believe they won all races but 2. So that's nuts. That kind of domination just
Yeah.
means like no one's, so at that point you're getting rid of some of the driver potential.
But I believe ये जो Filori है ना, they do for them the main passion is Formula 1 even though they fuck up at it or some shit. And,
Yeah.
And the car thing is to support this rather than the other way around. Apparently ये उनका priority है. अभी मैंने पता नहीं कौन बता रहा था मुझे. शायद
But yeah,
मैं-
talking about sports, Spain is on top of the world these days, man.
tennis, football.
Both in the same weekend.
Yeah. Dude,
Same day, actually.
And Alcaraz,
Yes.
dude, I don't know
Yeah.
if you saw that, but like he was so good, dominating.
Yeah, I mean,
Some,
dude,
some of the slices, some of the
Djokovic
undercuts,
is old and he beat him last time also, no?
yes, but so good.
And my boy Lamine Yamal for Spain. That kid I've been
Dude,
shouting
what
out.
a insane story, bro. That story seems like it's fucking.
He just
out
turns.
of a,
He turned 17 the day before the final,
yeah.
and he got the goal of the tournament. Have you seen that goal against France?
Yeah.
The long range one, and you see Mbappe's reaction after. There's
And
a
he's
full
not
thing.
even somebody that's supposed to be getting goals.
No, he's been our boss. I told you this.
He's
that-
more
this
like
that
guy supposed to be getting assists, no?
Yeah, he's got more assists. That's his only goal this tournament.
Yeah.
But he's also got the most.
No, but that's
assists
the
in
position he plays.
He's a right winger, so it
Yeah.
depends. Messi would have more goals and similar assists, but
Right.
you can have. It depends on whether he's a striker or this.
Touched
but
by God, man. This story is so like fairy
wo
tale,
bachpan
dude.
wala photo
Yeah.
you've seen, na? It's
Yeah.
actually
Messi
What
fucking
a
held
kid,
him as a
bro.
baby, and this guy turns into. Oh my
Bro,
God, dude, it's insane.
he
Like,
is-
it's
to put
that
this-
story
to
is
put-
so unbelievable to
to
me.
put this in context, he is. And Messi is a prodigal talent, prodigious talent. Sorry if there ever was one, but this guy is much better than Messi was at that age.
At that age.
much.
Yeah, but you know
So if
what they
he-
say, like
longevity is the game.
you know what they say, like kids usually like get better than their parents, like in sports. And stuff.
Sure, yeah, but then there's more output somehow, even in cricket where you see more runs and this, that, whatever.
Yeah.
And
Players are just getting better as the years go by.
yeah.
Obviously, we'll come to.
That comes from many things, a physical improvement. Or
No,
refinement
it's all
of the
it's a matter of
craft.
money, dude. It's a matter of investment, like because the sports are earning more, and
There's more investment into the development of all of it.
yeah, exactly.
The average player is much better now than it was back
Then
then.
yes,
yeah.
exactly. And this fucking guy who won Wimbledon also, he's like 21 or some
Alcaraz?
shit. Yeah.
He's
But dude, I
a
mean,
beast.
the golden era of tennis is over now, like, you know, because
yeah,
Federer, Nadal, Djokovic wala era was
yeah, Messi, Ronaldo, wala, this whole
No, but
pocket of time.
Alcaraz and Sinner are also both really good, and so I think there's always a
Sinha? Kaun Sinha?
yeah. His name is Sinner, Sinner. Yeah. But there's a
Like the nicotine
they're
pouch.
both really good, and there's always going to be a new golden era. man. There's
I'm a
always-
zinner.
Yeah, stop being so happy about that. Fuck it, this is like the new vaping.
He's an Abrahamic. He can always ask forgiveness, bro.
He should more often.
No,
then.
I don't know if you know this.
He should try it
but-
more often.
So
In Islam, you can't.
So in Christianity on Sunday they go for confession, which is when they are asking, they, you know,
तुम्हारा तो सब हिसाब ऊपर होता है ना.
हाँ हमारा सारा हिसाब एंड में होता है.
तो अभी forgiveness मांगने का कोई point ही नहीं है. तभी तो मांगता ही नहीं है.
नहीं, I'll tell you a loophole. मैं loophole बताता हूँ.
अच्छा बताओ. अल्लाह अपने कान बंद करो.
रुको
अल्लाह मियाँ.
मैं loophole बताता हूँ.
बताओ जी
तो बेसिकली क्या होता है ना, इस्लाम में कहते हैं कि when you convert to Islam, so everything you did before joining Islam वो माफ है.
But you're already born. So basically,
अरे
So I don't have that option
at 80 years of
on
age,
your
I will.
deathbed. Exactly. जब तुम एकदम मरने वाले हो on your deathbed, अभी बस 2 दिन के मेहमान हो तुम,
हाँ।
तब इस्लाम
कबूल
कबूल कर
कर
लो.
लो.
हाँ, exactly.
सारे पाप धुल गए.
तो वो तो हमारे लिए काम करेगा, तेरे लिए कैसे काम करेगा?
हाँ तो आई एम नॉट दैट लकी.
तो तेरे को कैसे पता कि तेरा डेथ बेड तू तो जैसे सड़क पे बाइक चलाते मारा जाएगा. तेरे पे डेथ बेड वाला को विंडो ही नहीं होगा.
मैं नहीं मारा जाऊंगा. अभी हेलमेट लेने वाला हूँ ब्रो, डोंट वरी, मैं ले लूंगा हेलमेट.
That's by the way, yeah, that's a foolproof.
That's inspiring.
That'll protect you from any fucking damage. that could
But okay,
No, but
so
yeah.
listen,
The
don't do what I do.
helmet of invulnerability.
No, but how's it going? Actually, you're practicing. You're riding the bike.
Yes,
You're enjoying
मैं
it.
रात में चलाता हूँ. कॉलोनी में ही चला रहा हूँ अभी तो ज्यादा, मतलब थोड़ा एक्सप्रेसिव वगैरह पे ले लेता
और
हूँ.
leather jacket वगैरह वो सब आ गए तेरे? नहीं.
नहीं dude, the leather jacket is out of stock. I was going to have Goatee bring it,
Oh,
but वो out of stock है.
which
तो
one?
Gold top.
Gold top.
Gold top. It's a leather jacket and it comes with armor, back armor and shoulder and elbow armor.
Okay.
मुझे
Because you know what they say? They say dress for the slide, not the ride.
I don't know if they say that.
So
who is they?
It's the children who go to the park.
Who the fuck is listening?
Dress for the slide.
Right.
slide as in because
Of course, he's listening to them.
when you fall off the bike, na, you end up skidding
Uh-huh.
on the
In the
road,
playground. You're riding a bike at the playground?
on the tarmac. Ma bada.
It's a merry-go-round actually.
On the
चक्कर-
asphalt.
चक्कर आया तो गिरोगे ना?
He's going to Adventure Island. Appu Ghar.
You know, I don't like amusement parks.
Amusement park मुझे भी नहीं पसंद.
Yeah,
Dude.
because it's so difficult to access the physical bodies of the children while they're on the fucking roller coaster, you know? They're all strapped in and away.
Access bodies. What the hell, man? But yeah, I want to go to an amusement park. It's been so long.
Dude, so we don't get
amusement.
हमारे सारे amusement park चूती बेकार हैं.
हाँ.
We need like a Disneyland. We need like a fucking.
I definitely.
I was going
He's
to say
fucking up his
I was going to say Disney World, but Disney World is a different
Disneyland.
concept than Disney.
इतना एक्साइटिंग से ज्यादा तो मैं हूँ.
अबे यार leave me alone यार.
6 packs.
Take me to an I Choose One park anytime.
Sorry, what?
Take me to an I Choose One park anytime.
I choose what? What's the wordplay here?
Amusement.
Oh,
I choose one.
That's but it's too much of a stretch, man. Come on,
Genius.
This guy.
What a
dude.
genius.
Genius level comedy. I'm sorry, babe number 2. I know you.
Stop calling her babe number 2.
Babe,
bro.
babe number 2 is not.
Stop it.
Stop. First of all, stop seeing
Also, there's
multiple
no-
women.
Stop giving them numbers.
Stop seeing multiple
There's
women
no
at the same time,
one
bro.
or two in the ways just because you know.
I know.
You have met one.
in the chronology in my
Yes,
head.
Yes,
yeah.
exactly.
Yeah,
So
for
that's just weird.
for him, you're all number 1. You're all the same. You're all equal.
Absolutely.
Dude, you are such an asshole, bro.
What the fuck?
Why?
Because I feel like you just need one, bro.
If
If you have babe
Not
number 1, then
necessary.
just
no, you feel like
full
you
stop.
just need one. You feel like you.
That's what's
Yes.
good for you.
he's
You
just
do-
setting himself up for failure, bro. तू सीखेगा. फिर तू याद करेगा कि भाई हाँ रिफ्शु भाई सही कहता था.
ये तो मैं याद नहीं. I will probably deny it and move it in some other direction. But I will not. इतना नहीं गिर सकता कि रिफ्शु भाई सही था. नहीं, वो मेरे मौत का दिन होगा मेरे भाई.
Anyway, change the topic.
Okay. Topic is now. What's hold on.
Oh, UFO fight हुई.
हाँ,
Jake Paul
Jake
versus
Paul and
Mike Perry.
What a
Mike-
fucking clickbait thing you sent in the morning. Jake Paul versus Mike fight today.
I said nothing wrong.
You bastard. Some clickbaity motherfucker. So why don't you go work for fucking Scoop Whoop, bro?
But yeah, so I was really rooting for Mike, but Jake like really outclassed him, and Jake is. I mean, I don't know. I can't believe I'm saying this, but Jake is starting to earn my respect.
तो Mike Tyson की गांड मारने वाला है ना basically.
कान पक्का मारने वाला है. मैं तो तब से कह रहा हूँ, bro.
I'll say this.
Is there a way to bet in India legally?
Yeah,
know?
you can bet. I mean, but
I'll bet.
Go to Goa.
हाँ?
गोवा में होता है ना.
No, ऑनलाइन बेटिंग करनी है मेरे को यार. मेरे को सीधा बैंक से डालना है, बैंक से लेने हैं. पागल हो
यहाँ
गया.
पे मतलब ऐसे पोकर वोकर पे भी पैसों वाला पोकर खेल
Guys, if
सकते
any of
हो.
you know about online betting, please comment and let us know.
You can. But it's
I know Samrat
it's
used to
probably better to just talk to a
do this. Bookie.
yeah.
वो नहीं करना मेरे को. Samrat used to get some real good odds on this crypto one that I could. I'll ask him about that.
Oh,
'Cause that's
you
just the best
have
way.
a wallet वगैरह है तेरे पास?
हाँ, अब है बस कुछ पड़े कुछ ETH कुछ BTC कुछ पड़ा.
पुराना जो आ रही है होगा.
कुछ ETH कुछ BTC कुछ Solana. I have,
What
I have
if
the basics.
I was going to put some money in
Right now, if you want to put
crypto,
money, put money
which
in ETH right now.
currency?
Right now just get ETH because ETH ka ETF is going to be legally
ETF बोले तो?
electronically traded fund hota hai. So ETF is basically, for example, you can either buy gold, ठीक है, and you can save that gold and that's a physical asset you have.
Yeah, okay.
Or there is a gold exchange traded fund. So the asset of the value of that exchange traded fund is set against the value of the gold. So instead of buying the physical gold and holding it, which is harder to liquidate. For example, मेरे पास gold है, मैं जाके दूंगा, जो के पास जाऊंगा, सोना खरीद लेगा.
Liquidate, you got a new meaning for liquidate because gold को पिघलाना पड़ता है.
हाँ, तो it's harder to sell. ETF if you have, which is a bank created asset, I just own that ETF and I can sell it immediately on the open
Right.
market.
I mean that's the
So it's the
point.
electronic traded fund. So there's a Grayscale is launching their ETF, which is going to be a fund where the asset value of that fund is weighted against the basket of ETFs that they hold. Yeah. That's
Yeah,
great.
because there's some things like because international payments वगैरह करने के लिए I feel like it's probably more wise to
More wise and it's cheaper.
yeah that's what I mean
फैन की लोड़ो.
It's cheaper.
to
Abbe,
just
crypto
use
hai yaar.
crypto.
It's going to be the new landscape for fucking settling. Buddy, I understand because you don't even use UPI. What are you going to do with crypto?
Yeah, dude, this motherfucker.
Oh my god!
guy
How
doesn't
did
even-
this come back to me?
This doesn't even fucking use UPI.
Fuck
so
you guys.
The blockchain is this whole new land, universe out there.
तेरा cockchain कर दूंगा, ठीक
जिस बंदे के
है?
पास ना तो डेबिट
To
कार्ड
be
हो,
fair, मेरे को भी ज्यादा कुछ नहीं पता, but I'm willing to.
जिस
learn
बंदे के
it.
पास डेबिट कार्ड भी ना हो, तो वो भैंचो
That's insane to
blockchain
me.
क्या समझेगा?
That's insane.
देखो.
और देख तू सुना मेरे को.
और भाई क्या हाल है? ठीक है, कैसा है? मैं ठीक हूँ.
Anyway, yeah. So I think Jake Paul could beat Mike.
Get some ETH, get some BTC, get some Solana. Okay, हाँ, moving on. Yes.
कॉमेडी शो है ये, पता है?
हाँ मुझे पता है, लेकिन आज बातें थोड़ी सी नॉर्मल सी हो रही हैं.
क्यों?
क्यों?
तो तू मार देना कॉमेडी
तो
अपनी.
जोक मारना अपने. लुल्ली दिखा दे, हम ऐसे हंस लेंगे. Show us your lulli, we start laughing.
यार ऐसे मेरे से छोटी ना मिलेगी.
तभी तो
ठीक है.
what the hell man?
What the hell?
Why are you even laugh?
हाँ?
Bro, that's the joke we crack.
Too bad.
तो तूने ये देखी कोई जो अभी टीवी सीरीज निकाला है इन्होंने?
कौन सा?
Fuck, what's the
I
name?
watched a new show.
Manesh Tripathi, CA topper or something. Bhavesh Tripathi, what's the name?
क्या बहन की चूत?
Some fucking dude. Even bro, अगर तू बर्फ ला रहा है ना तो bring a whole another tray, the black one.
Yes, please.
Thank you.
नहीं, मैंने ये देखा. I watched this animated show called Exploding Kittens. It's pretty cool.
That's nuts.
It's about God and Satan coming down to Earth, being sent for punishment as cats. It's not your thing at all because it's animated, but the humor is top notch. It's very funny.
I've been watching Phantasmas, which is.
I know it's a show on Fanta for the masses.
That's correct.
Yes.
It's a little too queer for me, but it's funny. In the sense, it actually is queer. But it's like it's surreal.
Yeah, not like the way you like insult people. This guy's queer. Like
no, it actually is queer. Yeah. It's Julio Torres.
What is too queer though? Queer to hai. Or is that just the focus too much of the show?
It's an If
it's just an element.
The natural
sure.
space the show inhabits is queer. Okay. So
okay.
that is of course because I'm a heteronormative guy. So that's a bit like a little bit of queer in an overall heteronormative world is fine. That whole world is queer. So that's what I'm saying. It's a little too queer for me, but I'm really enjoying it because it's a breath of fresh air. It's something new. It's novel. It's interesting, and it is funny weirdly. It's surreal. It's funny. Fantastic.
Nice.
Julio Torres. He's the guy he's a writer on SNL, and he directed a movie, but I don't know which one. I forget.
Sounds like one of those goalkeepers.
Never mind.
Fantastic.
I know exactly who texted me.
Acha.
Yeah, not from that group.
Okay.
Yeah.
ये तरह वो है.
There's somebody I met outside of a club.
All right.
And he gave you a good time, huh?
Mr.
You went for a ride and a slide. You did a bit of a slide on a ride.
Mr. Club Hopper Bump Hopper. क्यों भाई?
I don't go to clubs anymore.
Well, he just pops bums.
Yes, he didn't deny that at all.
The more egregious allegation, he's like, fucking yeah, whatever, who cares?
Man, I'm used to it.
It's like earlier today when I called him and
तुम चूतियों की वजह से ना, because तुम मेरा यहाँ मजाक उड़ाते हो, other people have gotten so comfortable to like fucking crack the same jokes, and I'm like, boys, we are not on the same level. Like, please.
Who's this?
people are watching the podcast and making these jokes or what?
No, I like.
या उनको बस पता है तेरी routinely बेइज्जती हो रही तो हम भी कर सकते हैं. So then if they're getting the same wavelength as us, it's not us, it's you.
नहीं, but तुमको मैं कुछ बोलता नहीं हूँ, but उनसे मैं फिर झगड़ लेता हूँ. But yeah.
तो लोग तेरा social capital गिर रहा है essentially.
Bro, don't worry, bro. I'm rubbing off on you guys also. We are all losing friends together.
Please do not rub off on me. Please never rub off on me. Rushu bhai, tu sahi tha. Fuck that. Fuck that. Over my dead body.
Shut up.
That didn't happen.
Yes, daddy.
That's a bridge too far.
Huh?
हो गया?
हो तो गया.
Actually not.
चला लो फिर.
चला. और भाई बात
One quick फट्टा.
Sports का episode हो गया आज है.
One quick फट्टा. Yeah, one quick फट्टा. For sports and Donald Trump.
Trump and sports.
Sports and
तो क्या नाम रखें आज?
Which sports is the Trump, bro?
What should we call this episode?
What is the sport of sports?
The best sport is
the Trump sport. Shooting. Must be shooting.
Actually, to me, like Test cricket is a really good sport.
What is?
Test cricket.
Fuck
Dude,
you.
that is the worst answer ever.
To me, that's like, to me, that's a really good sport. I really enjoy tennis now, and like Formula 1, of course.
That's the worst.
Is my favorite. Yeah.
I'll tell you what the best sport is. The best sport is where you have someone you can relate to that you can support.
Who I can relate to?
Yeah, like Hamilton.
How can you relate to Hamilton, man?
Hello.
Both from the hood.
He's got piercings. He's dark skinned.
He drives for Mercedes. You
He
drives
drives
a Mercedes.
Drives a Mercedes.
So that you guys are just
So exactly.
anything will do, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's
It's all
the-
about appearances, bro.
It's okay, sure, why not? ठीक है. If we wanna, I told you na this cool chachu of mine, Vidut chachu, whatever, he keeps telling me a shleel shit and whatever.
Yeah.
It was his birthday yesterday, so I was speaking to him and he gave me this motivational quote, and maybe we can close with this.
Yeah.
It's in Punjabi though. It's उठ कबीरा सुत्या तेरे चुत्तड़ चौड़े. उठ कबीरा सुत्या तेरे चुत्तड़ चौड़े. राम भजंदा वेला आया उठ जावे लोड़े.
Ram
राम भजन सुबह का टाइम, पूजा पाठ का टाइम.
Yeah.
इसको समझ आ गई ना?
मेरे को समझ आ गया. मेरे को थोड़ी बहुत पंजाबी समझ आ जाती है.
ओ बल्ले बल्ले.
Vidut uncle needs to be on the podcast, man.
He literally yesterday said मैं कद आवांगा. I said just come here.
No,
Yeah,
next time we'll get Jay.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
Jay's
He
also-
lives in Bangalore when he
Jay's a
comes to
hoot.
Delhi at some point. Yeah.
But
Jay's a hoot.
Jay is.
Always
But
a
I don't know if he'll be able to make it next week.
Why not? Oh, his wife is
Wife
back.
and kid coming back.
Kid is coming. Yeah.
The wife
Wife is also coming.
Yeah.
So why can't he make it to the podcast? It's a podcast.
अरे फैमिली एपिसोड करते हैं
Well,
तीनों
you
को.
ask his wife then.
He can come.
Yeah.
Clearly, he has a kid.
Very very.
Did he say that to you? Were you
Hey Jay.
No, I'm assuming.
अच्छा okay. देखो क्या पता पक्का बता आ रहा है कल.
I'm assuming
week.
that he will have responsibility.
Yes, he said 22nd.
22nd. Okay.
He,
ठीक है.
which is tomorrow. Yes.
Interesting. So anyway, yeah, we'll have him on. He'll come.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
चलो. राम राम भाई.
Bye, folks. Yeah.